Hey guys, Brandon here, Slingmods.com, and today we have our NRG carbon fiber rear spoiler for the Polaris Slingshot. NRG is no stranger to aftermarket accessories for the Polaris Slingshot. In fact, they were one of the very first vendors we partnered with back in late 2014, before we even had our first Slingshot. We've since launched a ton of Slingshot accessories from them over the years, such as their steering wheels, quick release systems, e-brake handles, and pedal covers, just to name a few. Well, today we're happy to introduce their 59-inch full carbon fiber rear spoiler kit for the Polaris Slingshot. This wing setup has been specifically designed to mount to the Slingshot roll hoops and features billet aluminum wing brackets that have been powder coated in a wrinkled black finish for a stylish look that's sure to turn some heads. The kit includes everything you need for a seamless installation from start to finish and features stainless steel hardware throughout. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process.
Start by finding the left and right side wing brackets by aligning the shape of the indents on the roll hoops with the shape of the brackets. Next, you want to take the bracket with the two square indents and fit the wing arm into that bracket and then onto the back of the roll hoop. Then take the other matching bracket without the square indents and fit that one up to the front side of the roll hoop. Now take 4 of the long bolts and slide them into the holes on the front side of the bracket and into the wing arms, leaving them all finger tight for now. And then repeat that same process for the other side. Attach the wing arm to the bracket with the square indents to the back side of the roll hoop. Then take the other matching bracket without the square indents and fit that one up to the front side of the roll hoop. Now take the right side wing bracket and attach it to the wing arm using the 3 medium-sized bolts and nuts, and just leave them finger tight for now. And then do the same for the left side wing bracket. Attach it to the wing arm using the 3 medium-sized bolts and nuts, and just leave them finger tight for now. Next, you can attach your wing to the outside of the wing brackets using the 4 remaining smaller nuts and bolts, and leave those finger tight for now. And then you can start tightening everything down, starting at the roll hoops hardware and working your way back and up to the wing. And then finally, you can attach the wing ends using the supplied washers and bolts. You can also add a drop of Loctite to ensure they don't come loose. And also be sure not to over tighten.
As you can see, once installed, this wing adds an aggressive look to the Slingshot, and it even allows for pitch adjustment so you can fine tune the wing to the correct angle. Now this wing really adds an exotic look in our opinion and finishes off the rear end of the Slingshot nicely. Now, if you want to add some aggressive styling along with some increased downforce to the rear end of your slingshot, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and pick up an NRG carbon fiber wing for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.